Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Matt Cockett. I'm EVP of Enterprise for Acision. Judges, you don't need to worry about us going over time because England's just kicked off in the World Cup, so we're going to be nice and prompt. For those of you that don't know Acision, Acision is a global messaging and cloud communication business. We're on 850 employees. We're global. And we were the first business to launch a commercial SMSC back in 1993. So we've got a heritage in messaging. We've always been pioneers in mobile. And we're here to talk about what we've recently invested in the WebRTC space. We're here at the conference launching our SDK. And the team here are going to take you through a demo of our recent SDK launch and how it's relevant in the marketplace. So I'm going to hand over to the team.
Hi, I'm Peter Dunkley. I'm Technical Director at Acision, and the area I'm responsible for is the WebRTC and the SDK area. So what we've been launching here this week has been the Acision SDK. And this consists of an authentication subsystem which allows you to connect to existing identity providers, a WebRTC component, of course, for voice and video, messaging, and a presence system as well. As part of this SDK, we have Android and iOS native client libraries, and we have a JavaScript library for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox as well. And so we're going to do a bit of a demo today which makes use of some of these features.
Hello, I'm Maria Hudson, and I look after marketing at Acision. Today I'm representing the call center agent. So what I'm going to do first is actually log into the Salesforce Com Web Interface, which the call center agent will see. So I'll log in now. Now this web interface is integrated, as I said, with Salesforce and our WebRTC SDK. You can see the screens come up now, and I'm just going to check the video to make sure that I'm in. So there I am. So this is what the customer will see when they log in. This integrates with our Engage application, which the customer will be using. And as part of this, you can see that I can see the customer's purchase history, what pages they've been on, related products. So I'll hand over to Peter.
So I've just launched our Engage demo application, which is an example of a typical online shopping application for a phone. And I'm going to sign into it.
And as Peter starts to sign in, I'll start to see his purchase history, where he's browsed before, and related products will come up.
Oh yeah, you won't until I make the call. When I've signed in, as you saw, I've gone straight in. This is typical Apple. Some steps have been skipped. It's just a demo application. I'm not actually going to type in a username and password for everybody to see. Now, today I'm going to call in because I've got had a problem with a recent purchase. So I've started the call now, and now Maria can see all my details.
So good afternoon, Peter. How can I help you today?
Well, I've got a bit of a problem with a recent purchase, and I was wondering if you could help.
Of course I can help. What has your problem been?
Well, I recently bought a TV from you. But I'm trying to watch the football match, and I'm just getting a blurry view. And I bought a 3D TV, and I want to see it in 3D.
Okay, and which football match have you been watching?
The England match.
England? Do I not detect a Scottish accent there?
Oh, yes. I mean, I want to see Uruguay. I give them a well-deserved thrashing.
Okay. So with your 3D TV, do you have some 3D glasses? That's probably the main thing that you need to make this work.
You mean I need to wear those silly glasses?
Yes, of course you do. I do have the perfect product for you today. I actually do have some Samsung 3D glasses, which I can push to you now. And if you could take a look at them.
They're really ugly. Do I really have to have these?
I'm afraid, yeah, they're the best ones on the market. You're going to have to get the 3D experience, I think you should purchase these.
Okay, I'll have to get them then.
Before you make that purchase, actually, Peter, I do have some other products that I can show you that you might be interested in. I'll just push these to you. I do have a wireless wristband as well that I can push to you. It might be of interest as well.
I've actually already got one, so I'll just stick with the 3D glasses, please.
Okay, so I'll push those back to you. And then you can put them in your shopping basket. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
That's all, thank you.
All right, thank you, Peter.
Thank you. And so now I've just bought them and checked out. Yes. So what this is shown is this has used a number of our components. It's used the WebRTC part, it's used the iOS native library, it's used the JavaScript library, and it's used the authentication subsystem to connect to Salesforce. It's a fully integrated system built on this platform that anybody can take and easily implement something similar to this.
Okay, thanks guys. So I've been told to lean into this mic. So I just wanted to wrap up and say, obviously next year back at this event, we want to be talking about how much money WebRTC is making in the industry, and we wanted to show today how a genuine ROI case can be made in a pre-sales environment in m-commerce or e-commerce. Hopefully, you know, Peter that has made that product purchase just that little bit quicker because of the personal touch, the video, the personal video helping all of his contextual information going with the click. So the purchase is closed more quickly, the call is quicker, the resolution of the call is quicker, helping it be a cheaper call to service. And we think that there's you know, a real kind of intangible benefit of non-verbal communication helping to close a sale in the retail environment. Some interesting areas that we've seen developing recently is the general consumerization of communication. So things like reports came out in the UK recently, 60% of young people would like to have WhatsApp-style communication from their bank. Now, WebRTC is almost the perfect medium to deliver on that kind of promise. So thanks very much for listening. Hope you enjoyed the demo, and we'll hand over to the next team. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.